Here's a short video on how you can create a segment in Expert Pro. You can create segments to create smaller groups of clients who meet specific criteria to then send them more personalized campaigns. To create a segment, you will first need to create a list. Watch our video on how you can create a list in Expert Pro. Once you have created your list, you are ready to create a segment. Go into List in the left navigation pane and click on View List next to the list you are looking to segment. In this example, I will use my master list, which includes all my clients' contact information, to segment my clients into a smaller group. Once you are in the list, you will notice the plus sign at the top. Click on it, and you will be redirected to the page where you can create your segment. Give your segment a name. In this case, I am looking to create a group of clients who have a refinance and variable interest rates. You can choose to add clients who either meet certain conditions in your segment or all the conditions within the segment. Then, you can begin creating your conditions. Choose the conditions your client needs to meet in order to be included in the segment. For this example, my client must be on my refinance board, and their interest rate must be variable. Once you have set the conditions, click on Create Segment. You will then see the users who qualify within the segment. Make sure to save the segment. If you click on Actions in the top right corner, you will see the option to export the segment or delete the segment if necessary. Your segment is now ready, and you can send the users in the segment personalized campaigns or maintain the segment for tracking purposes. That's how you can create a segment in Expert Pro.